always hold in your sight the wonderful person you are.
G'day guys, while you're looking at these photos, here are some tips that I've built up from shooting quite a few events now. Firstly, in low light areas, lock in your ISO and then use your shutter to adjust your exposure. Keep the aperture wide open unless you're shooting subjects on different planes of focus. Only then would you need to stop down, but remember, you will need to compensate the light using your shutter or the ISO. Another thing I do is chimp regularly to check your exposure. It's only better to lose a small series of your photos through under or overexposure, so do chimp to check your images, but pick the times to do it, not when there's stuff going on. You have to keep shooting during those times and keep your head up. You're looking to shoot moments, interactions, smiles, laughter, happiness, all the good things about a party, and you're also looking to capture images of each individual at the party. People love looking through a gallery of photos and seeing pictures of themselves. It's also a good opportunity for these families and friends to get some photos together and also individually some nice photos that they can keep and refer back to. And you're always on the hunt for those moments that are going to last forever, something that they're never going to forget, like this moment right here. How could the host, the birthday girl, your client ever forget this moment? And the thing is to keep moving, keep shooting. You're looking for different angles from different areas and different situations to give variety and add interest to the gallery of photos you finally deliver. Those are just a few tips from me. I hope they were helpful. Hey, take it easy out there and we'll catch you next time.
We are